Here's a quick little review about this SEAVON Dehumidifier. I've had it for about 3 months now, and just wanted to see, make sure it kept working and everything. I'm actually impressed. The little thing, it'll fill this up in about 2 days. We live full time in an RV, and it'll pull out, I'm not sure how many cups of water that is, probably about 4, but it'll fill that up, pull it out of the air in about 2 days. So it's worked great, runs 24/7. It's super quiet. I would highly recommend it. Anybody who's looking for a small dehumidifier.
I put this inside my closet in a few minutes. Look. That's amazing.
It's quiet. You got settings for your lights, turn on, off, settings, turn them on and off. I really like it.
I received my dehumidifier. It's already working. It's very quiet, good light. I like it.